Hey everyone, and welcome back to Breaking Down Nursing. Today we're going to focus on the RAS system, or the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Why do we really care about the RAS system? Why is it important? Well, this is our body's response to low blood pressure, reduce the blood volume, or decrease the blood flow to the kidneys. The purpose of the RAS system is constricting blood vessels, increasing sodium and water retention, stimulating thirst and antidiuretic hormone release, and increasing circulating blood volume. So, in essence, to bring back up that blood pressure so we can perfuse our organs. But keep in mind, the RAS system is a compensatory mechanism when blood volume goes down and should only be used for short-term periods. When used in long-term activation, it can contribute to hypertension, fluid overload, cardiac remodeling, and worsening heart failure. So how does the system actually work? Well, our liver produces something called angiotensin. As you remember, one of the hormones that our kidneys release is called renin. Renin's released when our kidneys are hypoperfused and we don't have enough blood volume. Our kidneys release renin, and that helps to convert angiotensin to angiotensin 1. Now remember, like every other system, there's multi-layers to it. Our lungs produce something called ACE, or angiotensin converting enzyme. And when that's released from our lungs, that converts angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 is a potent vasoconstrictor. So now our vessels start to constrict, shunting blood back to our vital organs, and also it activates the adrenals to release aldosterone. This then helps to reabsorb salts and water from the kidneys. So not only do we get a vasoconstriction, we get a reabsorption of salt and water to help to buffer that system and retain fluid when we would normally have lost it. And that's today's nursing topic, broken down and made simple. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with another student. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video on Breaking Down Nursing. Take care.